Hi, RJ Baxter here, Fairway Independent Mortgage. Just in case you haven't seen the news already, the Federal Reserve raised interest rates again by another 75 basis points or 0.75% on the interest rate. Now, what does that mean exactly? What did the Fed raise exactly, and how did it affect mortgage rates? That's the most important thing for a lot of you watching this video, and for us in the mortgage business and the real estate business, is how did mortgage rates behave in response to this? Now, when the Fed raises rates, they are not directly raising mortgage rates. They're not affecting all interest rates. What they are raising is interest rates on what we call the short end of the curve. They're raising short-term interest rates. More specifically, the overnight offered rate, the overnight interest rate that banks use to lend to each other. So when the Fed raises rates, they are not directly affecting mortgage rates because mortgage rates are on the long end of the curve. Mortgage rates are tied to longer term investments. Now, sometimes that does trickle down into mortgage rates eventually and causes interest rates to go up. But what we saw after the Fed announcement is actually mortgage rates improved a little bit on the news. Now, why would that be? Why would mortgage rates improve when the Federal Reserve raised rates by such a large amount? And the reason why is because the perception out there is that with the Fed raising interest rates, they are going to get inflation under control. Inflation is something that's bad for long-term interest rates because it erodes the value of the investments that are behind those rates. So when the Fed raises rates, it's a signal to the markets that maybe inflation will get more under control and not affect those long-term investments as much. So what we've seen, long story short, is that mortgage rates have actually improved a little bit since the Fed announcement last Wednesday, which is really good news. So if you want to take a look at what you can qualify for right now, or take a look at what your rate might be, whether it's to buy a home or to refinance, maybe pull some cash out for home improvements or to pay off some debts, happy to look at that for you. And once again, my name is RJ Baxter, Fairway Independent Mortgage. Have a great rest of your day.